Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear students, grade 12, as you can see in front of you, we are going to introduce Unit 7, step number 3. And as you know, the title of the unit is Long Lives. Now you have to be ready to open your workbook on page 48 and 49 in order to practice some exercises. Here, as you can see in front of you, this is the title, Module 3 Lifestyles. The title of Unit 7 is Long Lives, and we would like to just discuss some of these exercises. From the very beginning, I would like to present the new vocabulary of the lesson number 3. And we have, as you can see, some keywords like chronic, deprived of, drowsy, genetic makeup, restful, and shallow. Let's try to present them quickly, dear students. Here we have chronic, sleep deprivation. Chronic here means something which continues for a long time, or we can describe it as being long lasting. This one here, so chronic means continuous for a long time. This is an adjective. Here the next one, here we have deprived of, taking away, or taking something away from someone. This is deprived of, take something away from someone. The next one here we have, as you can see, drowsy. He is not asleep and he is not awake. But here we can say being in a state between sleeping and being awake. This is drowsy. Next here, genetic makeup. This is a chemical structure relating to genes. This is genetic relating to genes. Belonging or relating to genes. This is a chemical structures. Or a chemical structure or relating to genes from your parents, genetic. And here we have this one, which is restful, peaceful, quiet. As you can see, restful sleep. Here we can say restful. It is the same as relaxed, peaceful, quiet, and so on. So this is restful, peaceful, relaxed. Shallow means not deep, the opposite. Shallow sleepers. Here we have this adjective, which is shallow. It is the same as something which is not deep. The opposite is deep. So the opposite of shallow is deep. Next, here we have to look at these new words again. And as I told you before, you have to focus on the part of speech. Chronic, adjective. Deprived of, phrasal verb. Drowsy, adjective. Genetic makeup, noun. Restful, adjective, and here shallow, this is an adjective. Try, dear students, to concentrate on the part of speech. Here, the importance of sleep, as you know, this is the title of our lesson today, lesson number 3, or step number 3, unit 7. And here we would like to just introduce this first part, and I'd like you to try to answer these exercises. Have a look at it. You have to choose anyone. What time do you go to sleep on school nights? And around 8 or 9 or 10. You have to choose only one. And here we have also, why do you go to bed at a particular time? Why? We have 3 answers. You have to choose only one. Because you want to get enough sleep. Because it fits best with the family schedule. Because you feel sleepy. You have to choose only one. This depends on you. What time do you wake up on school days? Before 6, between 6 and 7, or between 7 and 8? Also, this depends on you. You have to choose any one of them. After that, here we have what usually wakes you up on school days. Alarm clock, a parent or another family member, noise. I think that most of us use alarm clock. Some people, their parents, their father, their mothers. So you have to choose any one of them also. What time do you sleep on weekend nights? After 8, after 9, after 10. You have 3 answers. Here, what time do you sleep on weekend nights? At the weekend, what time do you sleep? After 8, after 9, or after 10? I think most of us, or most of you, at the weekend, they stay up late. So they may sleep after 10 p.m. Here we have, what time do you wake up on weekend days? You have 3 answers also. Before 8, before 9, before 10, you have to choose any one. The same idea here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Wake up On Sundays, what time? On Mondays, what time? And so on. Go to sleep on these days of the week. You have to write the times here, actual times. About yourself, you have to read it and you have to write or complete it about yourself. It's very easy for all of you. Now, let's go to this reading text. That why is sleep important? Is it important to sleep carefully? Yeah, it's very, very important. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs. I'd like you to read them, please, carefully. Why is sleep important? This is the first paragraph, the second one, third one, the fourth paragraph, and this is the last one. I'd like you to read it carefully, please, in order to try to discuss some ideas together. Here, read the article on page 48 and 49 and match these ends with the paragraphs. The effects of lack of sleep. Which paragraph? You have to write the paragraph here. The number of the paragraph. Is it paragraph 1, 2, 3, or 4? The same idea, how to stay awake while driving. Different kinds of sleep, the value of sleep, questions to ask yourself, sleeping positions. Different individuals have different needs. I'd like you to read it again in order to try to read it and match these ideas. We have the effects of lack of sleep, different kinds of sleep, the value of sleep, questions to ask yourself, different individuals have different needs. In this one, let's start with questions to ask yourself, and this is paragraph 1. What about paragraph number 2? Here, different individuals have different needs. Paragraph number 3, the effects of lack of sleep. What about number 4? The value of sleep. And the last one is different kinds of sleep. This one. So here we have the 5 paragraphs. It's paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, and this is the last paragraph, paragraph number 5, which is talking about different kinds of sleep. It's very important. Here you have to read the article again and complete the sentences with a word or phrase. It's very, very important. Adults and teenagers need a lot less sleep than here. One word, babies. I think that here you have to write babies. This is in B, you have to write 2 words. In C, 1 word. In D, 2 words. In E, you have to write 2 words. Take care. You have to complete it with words from the article. Let's start here. Think about it carefully. Take your time to think about it, and let's start it. Adults and teenagers need a lot less sleep than, I think, babies here. It is, and would like to choose or to write 2 words. Here it is. Elderly people, 2 words. Elderly and people. These are 2 words. People who do not get enough sleep may find it difficult to what? 1 word. Have a look, concentrate. Sleep deprivation may cause weight gain by altering. You have to write 2 words. Take care. Take care. Hormone levels. Your immune system would be affected if you were deprived of. We would like to choose 2 words, deprived and of. So take care, dear students, babies, elderly people, concentrate, hormone levels, deprived of. Take care. This exercise is very, very important. Here you have to look at the article again, and you have to see whether the sentences are true or false. True, you have to write T. False, you have to write F. And you have to justify your answer. The article gives information about no advice. It's okay. If you read the article, you will find no advice. So we can say this answer is okay. It's okay, this one. True. We do not need the same amount of sleep. It's okay, yeah. It's okay, true. Factors that affect the amount of sleep we need include the color of our hair and where we live. I don't think so. The color of our hair does not affect the amount of sleep. Where we live does not affect the amount of sleep we need. So the answer is not true, it is false. Here we would like to see something else. If you feel very lively during the day, you probably need more sleep. Very lively? I don't think so. very tired maybe. So here we can say, if you feel tired, not lively, if you feel tired during the day, so the answer is not okay, it's false. The next part, most teenagers need about 9 hours sleep per night. Yes, it's okay. 9 hours, maybe 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 7 hours, it's okay. So the answer here is true. This is the idea. Now, dear students, let's have a look at exercise number 6. Find the following verbs in the article on page 48 and 49 and make nouns from them. Have a look. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All these are verbs. And we would like to derive or to write the nouns of these verbs. Need, I think the same. Give, have a look. Gift, know knowledge. Feel, feeling. Think, thought. Concentrate, concentration, like this. Cause, the same. Cause, alter, alteration. This is the idea. And this exercise is very, very important. And I'd like you to try to concentrate on the part of speech, the verb, the noun, the adjective, and so on. Now, is it important to get enough sleep? Is it important to get enough sleep? Is sleep very important? Is it important to sleep well every day? Yeah, it's very, very important. Why? First, sleep is essential for a person's health. So, without sleep, I think that we will not be healthy. It helps the brain to retain new information, to memorize, to keep new information. So very important. People who are deprived of sleep may gain weight. This is important. Their bodies would store carbohydrates. So this means sleep is very, very important for everyone. This is, dear students, what we have for today. I'd like you to try to revise these new ideas again and again, revise the new vocabulary, and next time we will have another new lesson. Thank you very much.